knows credit. The game ain't dead. Numbers in the green. Stay ahead. Stack it up, don't break the thread. Gregg knows credit. That's what he said. APL lurking, a shark in the deep.
What's going on? It's your boy Gregg Knows Credit, and I'm back. Y'all know me as King G, but if you've been rocking with me ever since I was doing investor adventures and different things like that, well, we on a whole nother level now. We rebranded. I got a whole lot of heat for you guys. Like, I'm talking about stuff like literally that can change your life forever. So I know I've been going for a long time. Probably, I think the last video I did was probably June of 24, but I've been in the trenches building and building and building. And so now I got a whole lot to share with you, and I ain't got no fluff, ain't no theory. This is the blueprint. Okay, so this is the blueprint. So everything that I'm going to be teaching from here on out is going to be the blueprint. If you ready, like really ready to learn every little thing when it comes to getting your credit where it needs to be, and we talking about getting it done, then this is where you need to be, period. Because from here on out, and I'm not leaving again. So y'all gonna see me a lot more often. I'm gonna be shooting videos often, giving y'all game, letting you see what it takes to completely become financially free. Because that's what everybody want to do. Problem is, what I'm seeing is that people are trying to use their paychecks to get financially free. And that is never going to happen, because as long as you're working, you pretty much don't have enough money to do the next thing. So like, if you need to invest in this, if you're trying to start a hair salon, or if you're trying to start a barbershop, if you're trying to start a roofing company or a mowing business, or whatever it is that you're trying to start, okay, it could be a knitting service. The problem is that when you're trying to do it out of your own pocket, you never succeed, because you always using just this little bit of money that you got left, and it's never enough. And then you only got enough just to start, but you never can finish, right? So what you're gonna learn here with me is I'm going to be showing you how to literally get your credit right, then get you funded so you can do what it is that you're trying to do. That's the whole goal that I'm teaching here, okay? Get your credit up, get some funding, build your empire. That's the goal here. Not to just, just be talking about credit and different things like that. No, build your credit up, get funded, build your empire. That's exactly what I did. That's what I've been teaching people how to do. This is what I've been doing this whole time that I've been gone, is doing this for other people. And before I brought it to this channel, I wanted to make sure that everything was in a row, and everybody was going to be fully happy with the content that I bring. And that's just what it is, right? So this channel ain't about being monetized or anything like that. It's about teaching you how to make money. That's it, for real. And not doing it check to check. You're never going to get there check to check, but you can use that check to invest in yourself. And if you got to do it slow, step by step, you do it step by step. You're not behind. It ain't that they moving faster than me. Move at your pace, the pace that you can move, but just make sure that you're moving, that you're not stuck saying, well, I've been at this job for this long, or I've been doing this for that long. I mean, if that's what you're going to do, then that's a personal decision, but you shouldn't do that, right? What you really should be doing, because there's nothing wrong with having a job if you fund it. I mean, if you use it to fund your empire, right? But you don't, especially in today's world, you don't have to work for anybody for the rest of your life. You just don't, right? So if you don't want to do that anymore, the number one thing you need to do is get your credit right, okay? Right? As you see here, 850 FICO, right here. I got it right here on the shirt, right? 850 FICO, right? So the goal is to make sure that everybody gets their score where it needs to be, so you don't keep getting treated with the 28% interest rates and deny when you're trying to get an apartment or whatever you're trying to do. You can't ever get it because your credit ain't straight. And a lot of us spend our money on almost everything other than what we need most, and that's just a trait that we have for some reason. But I'm not saying it's not a good one, right? So if you want to get out of that little loop of doing the same thing over and over and over again and trying to find out why you can't get out, subscribe to this channel, Gregg Knows Credit. Let me show you how to do this. Let me help you. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to help you help yourself. All right. I've done it. Everybody I've been working with has done it, and I got the proofs to show it. Right. So, matter of fact, I might just throw some up here at the end of this video. I think I will. Right. Just throw some things up of what's been happening behind the scenes. All right. So that's it. So go ahead and check the rest of this out, man. Just see some things that's been happening. As you can see, a lot of this stuff is current too. It's not nobody else's shots. These are actually my shots, things that I've actually done for other clients and different things like that. So I want y'all to just go ahead and look at it. Check it out, all right? But it's your boy Gregg Knows Credit, and I'll see you in the next video. And we're about to get it popping, so look forward to what's coming because there's a lot coming. Peace.
Swipe the card and sang a hymn, metallic choir. Gregg Knows Credit, building empire, digits dance, accounts on fire, cash flow flipping like a gymnast high, late nights, glow of the screen, FICO climbing, chasing the dream, interest rates, they scheme and gleam, bankers plotting, sipping caffeine. Gregg Knows Credit, the game ain't dead, numbers in the green, stay ahead, stack it up, don't break the thread. Gregg Knows Credit, that's what he said. APL lurking, a shark in the deep. Gregg stay woke, never caught asleep. Testing in hand, no secrets to keep. Dead snowball rolling.